In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily sort your pivot table by both labels and values. This pivot table is summarizing employee expenses based on department. And let's say I wanted to sort it based on the employee name. To do that, I'm going to click on this arrow next to row labels, and I can apply an ascending order sort and a descending order sort. If I select Z to A, it's going to sort those values in descending order. What I can also do is sort the column labels as well. So if I click here, I can sort A to Z or Z to A, and it'll adjust accordingly. So you can apply multiple sorts. What I can also do is sort by the grand total. Let's say I want to see the largest values at the top. To do that, just click any cell in the grand total field, right click, sort largest to smallest, and I've done that. So quick and easy way to do that. And you can also sort by individual columns as well. So let's say if I want to sort based on the marketing field, right click, sort largest to smallest, and the largest values are going to rise to the top. So as you can see, the most recent sort is going to take precedence over any previous ones that I've done. So just keep that in mind when you're sorting your values, is the most recent one is going to take effect. So as you can see, now my grand total is no longer sorted. So if I want that resorted, I'll go back to largest to smallest, and I've got that now sorted again. So that's how you can quickly and easily sort your pivot tables in Excel.